Hello, my name is Latasha Nightingale and I'm from Jacksonville, Florida. I recently earned my Bachelor's of Arts in Mass Communications from Edward Waters College on May 2nd, 2009. My lifelong goal is to become an educator, and since we're moving further into technology, I felt that a master's in tech teaching and learning with technology would help me to become the forward-thinking educator I've always wanted to be. And that's why I enrolled on May 26th at Ashford University, which is an online school. And I'm currently pursuing my master's in teaching and learning with technology, which has been a really huge step for me. And it's something that I'm really looking forward to. And I'm very excited about what the future has in store for me. And I hope that through this course and through the courses that I will take, I hope that it gives me insight and that I really I take very good habits and very good skills from the classes. And that's pretty much it. This is Latasha Nightingale.